Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. I know I was gone for a long time from this channel. I was not planning to come back again and make videos for it, but hey, it's a special video that I wanted to make. And damn you, that noise. I cannot make a video at 2 a.m. in the morning also. Someone will honk outside my home. First world problems. But I really wanted to make a video on love, relationship, because it's the Valentine's week. So without any further delay, let's talk about Valentine's Day. So just like last year, I was also single and lonely this year on Valentine's Day. It's not like I don't like being in a relationship, but like I don't want to be in a relationship on Valentine's Day, because being in a relationship on Valentine's Day is like making it official. I don't want to make it official, I just want a casual fling. So what I do is I always break up with my girl, whomever I am dating, at least 2 months before the Valentine's Day. And you should do that too. Let me tell you why. You don't have to buy your Christmas present, you can save a lot of money there. If you are broken up 2 months before Christmas, you can sleep with whomever you want on the New Year. And the best part is, you still have a chance to date your ex's friend. Let me explain. See, if you break up with her during Christmas, she is going to tell her friend, and her friend is going to be like,
"Who breaks up with someone during Christmas? He's such a jerk."
Same with the New Year.
"Who breaks up with someone during New Year? He's such a jerk." What? He broke up with you on a rose day? I'm going to murder this guy.
So don't make the mistake of breaking up with your girlfriend during Valentine's week if you don't want to get murdered. But if you do it 2 months before, that is December 14th.
"Oh, sweetie, what happened?" "He broke up with me." "Oh, that's bad. But why?" "He said he's so stressed about work. He has no time to put into our relationship." "Oh, that's sad. I'm sorry. He works too much. He's in a lot of stress. Maybe I should give him a blowjob and relieve some stress."
Never happened to me, but it could happen. You never know. But if you break up with her on December 14th, no one is going to be like,
"What? She broke up with you on December 14th? I'm going to kill his ass."
that doesn't make any sense. Man, there are so many things I don't understand about the dating world. Like, why do you have to go to movie theater to make out with each other? People say that India is a conservative country, right? So instead of making out at home behind your closed door, you go to a movie theater at a public place and you make out there. What's the logic? Some might argue it's progress. Yeah, India. How do you do it? Especially after singing Jana Gana Mana. Like, how do you even do it? So my friend went to a movie date with his girlfriend, and after he came back, I asked, "How's the movie?" And he's like, "What movie, man?" "The movie you went to see, the movie theater, the movie that was playing, the movie?" Nah, man, I did not saw the movie, but I did everything else. Everything else? Everything else. Now I know why movie theaters take long time to clean. Nah, man, I can't do this kind of shit. Like, I tried. I once asked a girl out to a movie date and to a horror movie. It was IT, and I actually thought that I was going to watch a movie, right? Because it's a horror movie. So I went to the movie date and I took a popcorn, that 300 bucket bowl of popcorn, which is totally overpriced for some reason. Like, I don't know, I don't understand. So it's a 300 popcorn. So I'm in the theater sitting like this, holding the popcorn, because you cannot place it somewhere. It's a 300 rupees popcorn bowl. It's a 300 rupees overpriced popcorn bowl. And then for no reason, she started kissing me. Now normally in this situation, the popcorn bucket would go up like this, but there are kids in the movie. It's IT. Have you seen the movie? There are kids. I cannot get a hard on in front of kids. If you can get a hard on in front of kids, there is something terribly wrong with you. So she is whispering in my ear,
"Ow, ow, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, and suck my tits, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, suck my tits, finger me."
Kissing, okay. Sucking tits, okay. Fingering, what? Some feminist would say,
"If she can give you a hand job at a movie theater, you need to finger her pussy."
like how can you do that? Like how? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. "Excuse me, sir, can you please hold my popcorn? I need to finger my girlfriend's pussy." And you blame me for breaking up with her. Oh man, relationships are tough. It's pretty tough. Like, especially for us men, we need to put some real effort into relationship. Like, really, like, we need to put some effort. Girls, they don't do shit. Any woman who is saying like they put effort into the relationship is bullshitting to your face. I mean, it's true, they don't need to put an effort. They have boobs. Boobs are the gift from God. It can solve anything. No straight man in this world has ever refused to do boo. Do you think your dick is a gift? No, it's not. Whip it out and see how many women will refuse. Hey babe, I was thinking maybe you should do the dishes tonight. I'm kind of tired.
I can do the dishes, or I will let you do on my boobs for 1 minute.
Who do you think will win this argument? Doing dishes? Come on, man. You're more than that. Come on. Once I said no to this. Once. Just once. And she was on her period for 2 months. Babe, wanna cuddle?
No, I'm on my period.
And you blame me for breaking up with her. Really. Think about it, people. After you come back from a date, a normal, typical girl's friend will ask her,
Is the guy handsome? What does he do?
what do we do? Our job is so much important for the girls, for the women's. Like, we need to have a job, we need to be romantic, we need to be handsome, we need to be dressed properly. For a guy, all we look into a girl is how big her boobs are. It doesn't get simpler than that. For a guy, after a date, you hear your friends and it sounds similar like, is she hot? Did you get lucky? Now these are some sophisticated way of asking how big was her boobs. Did you tap that ass? Did you do woo? Can you send a picture? No. I will not send you a picture. I will send you on Snapchat, and if you screenshot it, I will know, and that's breaking the bro code. Girls, you think your nudes are safe with us? Please. Sometimes you meet these people who are like perfect couple. Oh, our life is so perfect. No, it's not. Oh, we do everything together, we eat together, we travel together, we don't lie to each other. Oh, you think? No. You think he's not lying to you. How can you be a man and not lie? It's natural for a man to lie to come up from your mouth. Like, eventually it will come. You can't stop it. Just like jerking off, it comes naturally. How can you be a man and not lie? It's ridiculous. And the most fucked up thing about being in a relationship is that you have to lie because she will not believe you. Like, if you tell her the truth, she will not believe you. Listen, I have a problem, right? I have a problem. I work late at night and I sleep. I don't have a day job. I work all night, so I'm a night owl. I am a day sleeper. So I had this brunch because breakfast and lunch, because why not? Someone had a good idea to put breakfast and lunch together. So I had this date brunch with my girlfriend at like 10 a.m. in the morning. So I was very sleepy at 7 a.m. So what I did was I put a timer on my phone like, hey Siri, can you put a timer for 2 hours? And then I slept, hoping that Siri will wake me up in 2 hours. I woke up 2 p.m. in the evening. Guess what? I don't own an iPhone. I was so sleepy that I forgot that I don't own an iPhone. I took up my Android phone and what I see is 58 missed calls and 42 text messages. Let me ask you a question. What does a man do at this moment? You know you are fucked up, like you cannot do anything. You can't just casually meet her next day and say like, yo babe, what's up? So sorry about yesterday, I was sleeping, sorry, I'm really sorry, it will not happen again. You think she will believe you even if you say that on an English accent?
You were sleeping? My ass. I know for a fact you were with my friend with Ria in the movie theater fingering her. The guy you gave popcorn to hold called me.
Yeah. Before I get too confused, let me end this video right here, right now. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and also leave a comment. Also, share this video, people. I need more shares. Everybody needs shares. Sharing is caring. So share this video with your friends, with your family. Don't share it with your mom because it's some R-rated stuff that I said. So please don't share it with your mom, but share it with other family. Like you can do that, except your parents. You can share it with your family and with your friends and your girlfriend and your boyfriend. I don't know. Share, people. Share. Thank you for watching. My name is Ryan. I'll catch you guys later on another video. Bye.